Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming OneDrive is signed in and actively running. This prevents sync conflicts. Next, make sure you have enough OneDrive storage, because syncing a large downloads folder can fill quotas fast. Once done, back up your current downloads folder to an external drive or a temp folder so nothing is lost. Then open File Explorer, right-click your downloads folder, and select Properties to prepare for the folder relocation step that follows. Now you redirect the folder into OneDrive, open Downloads Properties, and go to the Location tab. Click Move, navigate to your OneDrive folder, and create or select a Downloads subfolder, then choose Select Folder. You'll be prompted to move existing files. Allow Windows to move them so OneDrive syncs the contents. This ensures new downloads land in OneDrive automatically. Make sure OneDrive sync status shows uploading. Watch for errors during the initial. Finish by confirming OneDrive shows syncing and then updated. That proves files moved and are backed up. You can verify via the OneDrive web interface to check file presence and version history. Once everything syncs, test by downloading a small file to confirm it lands in OneDrive /downloads. If something goes wrong, pause and resume syncing, or unlink and relink your OneDrive account to force a fresh sync. These steps resolve most permission or index issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.